Alright, today I want to give you a quick look and tell you more about the ThinkWork actual grease gun coupler kit, guys. This kit is definitely standing out to me compared to others, and yes, I actually do grease a lot of equipment, and I do want to say, guys, having the right coupler is definitely game changing. It's definitely what you want to actually add to your arsenal of tools. To start off with, it's a 1/8 inch nap, guys, that screws on right here. As you can see, the old one screwed right off. The new ThinkWork screws right on. And I just dropped the cleaning tool that come in the kit. So let me edit this out so you can not have to watch all this. It fell right down in there too. Alright, so cut. Anyway, guys, it comes with the cleaning tool. Alright, so if you wanted to clean an actual grease fitting, you take this tool and you spin it on the grease fitting right here. As you see, it knocks all the dirt off the actual fitting, and you may have to do it twice if you got equipment like me, us I should say, super old, dirty, good equipment. Anyway, guys, the ThinkWork grease, the coupler itself is an extension. It's already like, I want to say probably about 4.5, 5 inches long, and it locks. That is one of the best features of this. When you get it on there, look at this. It locks on, so it's really great on holding onto the actual grease fitting and pumping. Look, super easy, guys. No problems here. It pumps as much grease as you want it to. Easy, like I said, locks in place. All right, let me show you the coupler attachments. All right, this one has an actual 90. You know, when you come to these hard grease fittings, kind of not really that situation, but it'll be kind of like this, or up in here, a hard to reach situation. Look at this, a lock right on place right here. All right, let me show you how easy this locks on right here though. That's the part I'm impressed with. Look at this, locks on right there, that easy. And if you wanted to get down in here in this hole, look at this, you could. It makes it super easy. All right, let me show you. Pull this, that's how easy the coupler comes off. It also comes with a needle grease valve. All right, locks on coupler, super easy, just like the other. And if you wanted to get in between these cracks, like right here, simple to do, maybe not with one hand, but look. All right, easy. So overall, guys,